this is Miss Alex. Thanks for coming to my DIY bonsai tree. First, I'm just going to show you a little bit of information on the bonsai tree and its art form, and then we're going to get started on the craft. What is a bonsai tree? Bonsai is a fascinating art form that combines horticultural techniques and Asian aesthetics in a unique way. The art originates in the Chinese Empire and was copied and adapted by the Japanese to what we know now as bonsai trees. Literally translated, bonsai means planted in a container. There are over 15 different styles of bonsai trees. Get creative with yours. So what you should have in your kit is a mini terracotta plant, some rocks, 2 cups of clear glue, a bunch of these, about 11 long ones and 1 short one, some tissue paper, and some sand. First, you're going to take your 11 pipe cleaners and about 3 inches from the bottom, start twisting them. The bottom is going to still look like this. So after you've twisted these and you have these up here that are sort of loose, you're going to take 3 at a time, twist them again, and these are going to be your branches. See? So since there are 11 pipe cleaners, one of the branches is only going to have 2 pipe cleaners. Once you're done getting your branches out, you can start twisting your bonsai tree around however you would like, including the branches. The branches don't have to go in one particular way. They can go backwards, forwards, and to the sides. For the next part of this, you're going to take your mini terracotta plant and put some sand in. Now, when you put the sand in, you need to put equal amounts of glue. So pay attention to how much sand you put in. You're going to then mix the two together until it's sort of a liquidy substance. It's going to look like this. It's going to have a shiny consistency and pretty liquidy, so it moves nice and slow around the pot. Now, after that, you're going to take your tree trunk and you are going to put it right in there. Okay. Now it's not going to hold immediately. You could even squish it down a little bit if you need to. See? If you have any leftover sand, now would be a good time to put some more sand in, just so it can hold its place a little better. From here, you can take your rocks and just start to add them for decoration. If you want to put some glue on them, you can, so they stay down more, but I don't think that's 100% necessary. But you can just give it a try, whatever you like. You can even decorate your rocks before you put them in. It's all up to you. Okay, now that our bonsai is mostly set, what you're going to do is you have 3 different colors of green tissue paper. Alrighty, you're going to get some glue ready. And you're going to start to rip off about 1 inch, maybe smaller or bigger depending on, how you want it to look. Put a little bit of glue on it, and you're going to start sticking it to, you can just start in different colors and different formations and different variations. These are going to be your leaves. So I just crumple them up, I just kind of dab them in, and then stick it on. You can wrap it around a little bit if it's not sticking too well. And you're just going to go like that around all the edges. What you're going to do with the smaller pipe cleaner that you received is cut it up into 4 small pieces. From here, you can tie it around some of your branches and make more branches sticking out. So it looks like that. And when all of those are set, you can decorate those with some leaves as well. What's fun about this craft is you can use different colored tissue paper to make different trees. For instance, if you used pink tissue paper, then you would have a sakura blossom tree instead. But congratulations! You have finished your little bonsai tree. Please feel free to show us any pictures on our Instagram or Facebook. We'd love to see them. And thank you for joining us again at the Riverhead Free Library. See you next time.